PLL. Ouais. Hey, c'était un mec du 9-2, tu faisais les bolos à la gare, tu prends tes cafés dans un bar inter, tu passais à la barre. Ouais, sur la balance t'appuyais tard, ça veut ce classe, tube de sauce, tu les vois c'est déjà trop tard. C'était un mec du 9-3, tu visères, tu sors de la teuf, toujours de la conce, de la peuf, tu manges à 129, tribunal de Bobigny, t'as fini là-bas. Mineur capuché, ça repasse devant la victime qui pleure. C'était un mec du 9-4, forcément t'as une chicha, la nuit c'est tournoi FIFA, c'était caché, pampita, tu fais la boxe à Vitry, arracheur de vitrine, tu traînes avec Vicky, tu veux les sous la Viking. C'était un mec du 9-5, forcément t'as un compète, jamais tu refuses ton tête, t'ouvres une pizza ou un grec. C'était un mec du 7-8, t'es nerveux, t'es sceptique, t'investis sur un petit, sur un projet 7 titres. T'as un book du 9-1, tu prends la voiture ou le train pour aller sur Paname, faire les sous dès le matin, ça volait des saxos, si tu fais le fou ça te saute, mais si ton zinc vient de Grigny, Babel et que ça te sauve. C'était un mec du 7-7, la violence à l'excès, tu joues au foot, bon niveau mais t'as tout quitté sexe. C'était un mec du 7-5, en banlieue t'as 7-5, qui te ramène des affaires, t'as une lame en extinct. Sur à quelle porte du périph', fuck la garde, la vérif, j'emmerde l'OPG, le shérif. Les balances, faut les barrer, banlieue bien préparée, y'a que des fous, tu sors à quelle porte du périph'. Fuck la garde, la vérif, j'emmerde l'OPG, le shérif. Les balances, faut les barrer, banlieue bien préparée, y'a que des fous, tu sors à quelle porte du périph'. Fuck la garde, la vérif, j'emmerde l'OPG, le shérif. Les balances, faut les barrer, banlieue bien préparée, y'a que des fous. C'était une go du 9-2 que tu snaps en smart, indépendante qui dit à sa pote viens on se barre. Le week-end qui sort dans les carrés VIP, qu'à sa pote bourrée, qu'a dit la vérité. T'es une go du 9-3, t'as un frère au star, t'as jeté ton mec, c'était un vrai clochard. Tu bosses pour la mif, tu portes le dossard. Toi tu veux un fils, tu veux un vrai lossard. C'était une go du 9-4, toi tu bosses pour la jeunesse. 100 heures dans la semaine, toujours calme et sereine. C'était une go du 9-5, forcément t'as la mentale. T'as le permis à 18 ans, tu bombardes, tu roules en bas. C'était une go du 7-8, t'es connu dans le secteur. Grosse famille qui fait venir plusieurs fois l'inspecteur. Ton daron c'est une galère, ton frère c'est une galère. Combien de fois on t'a appelé, on t'a dit de planquer les affaires. T'es une go du 9-1, l'été tu le passes à Benidorm avec tous tes pinko. Pas un acte ton mec qui dort. C'était une go du 7-7, t'as monté ton petit salon. Esthétique, manicure, tous les jours t'es en talon. C'était une go du 7-5, le week-end tu traînes à l'arc. La semaine t'es en cours, tu continues, tu fais la fac. Ta meilleure pote elle est connue. Tu grandis, t'évolues, tu veux des likes, des abonnés, un manager et une commu. Sur à quel point du périph', fuck la garde, la vérif. J'emmerde l'OPG, le shérif. Les balances, faut les barrer, banlieue bien préparée, y'a que des fous qui sont à part du périph'. Fuck la garde, la vérif, j'emmerde l'OPG, le shérif. Les balances, faut les barrer, banlieue bien préparée, y'a que des fous qui sont à part du périph'. Fuck la garde, la vérif, j'emmerde l'OPG, le shérif. Les balances, faut les barrer, banlieue bien préparée, y'a que des fous que t'es taré.
Micro qui est coupé, c'est super pour pas changer. Hop. Hyper fort. Hyper fort. Hop. Boum. Cette fois j'ai déjà préparé le truc. Eh ouais, on est là nous. Eh ouais. Quand même. Hop, foutre ça ici. Ouais, c'est bien ce que je pensais. On va foutre ça ici. Hop. Ah ouais, Discord.
semaine passée le tout premier podium de sa jeune carrière en Formule 1 pour son 14e Grand Prix, comme un certain Alain Prost. Mais malheureusement, aujourd'hui, il part de la voie des stands, le pilote français. Ça sera un petit peu plus compliqué, tout comme Pierre Gasly qui s'élance lui aussi de la voie des stands sur son Alpine.
Ah, ça va être une course de patience, c'est une course dans laquelle on va pouvoir apprendre des choses aussi. C'est vrai que c'est un peu frustrant, mais il faut partir dans ce sens-là. Il faut partir en se disant aujourd'hui.
Son Discord, pourquoi elle a son Discord?
Ces deux pilotes, ils seront sur la grille l'année prochaine, donc on doit prendre des informations.
Non, c'est l'IPTV, c'est l'IPTV. Ok, donc ça c'est bon. Hop. Ah, voilà. La diffusion est sur Discord, juste je vais rajouter ça. Merde. Normalement là, tout est carré dans l'axe. Pour une fois que je suis prêt avant la course. Et bah c'est nickel. Ah c'est nickel. Pourtant il fait beau aujourd'hui, j'ai failli pas le signer. Je fais juste le Grand Prix et voilà quoi. J'ai même pas regardé les qualifs. Ah bah tiens, c'est vrai, elle est là. Ah, Hamilton encore 10ème. Hein. Apparemment on m'a dit qu'il y avait une pénalité, je sais pas quoi là. Nicolas Hülkenberg. Nicolas Hülkenberg. Il m'a tué Carlos quand il a fait ça. Bon, bientôt je dois faire le GP Explorer, mais sur Assetto Corsa avant. Je vais faire ça normalement cette semaine. Non, bah non. Si, je vais essayer de faire ça cette semaine. Comme ça, il me reste jusqu'au GP pour faire la miniature, etc.
culture in the street. Every wall a canvas, every rhyme a beat. Sunday mornings bells, midnight fights. Life in the barrio got them day to nights. But we still roll proud, never bow or renounce. Forever in the rhythm of the East LA bounce. Riding through the hood, palm trees swinging, and everything feel good. Low and slow, yeah, we own this town. Turn the speakers up, let the beat.
Ah, je me suis brûlé, sa mère la pute là.
City don't sleep, vibe
Putain.
real. Every corner got a story that the streets reveal. From Boyle to the bridges, every beat connects. East LA spirit gotta show respect. It's the sound of survival, painted in chrome. A place for the lost wants to call it home. So we ride all night, never slowing down. It's that lifetime groove. East LA bounce. East LA bounce. Riding through the hood, palm trees swinging. Everything feel good.
Ah, c'est 1000 ans, je fais le bilan. Putain, le créateur d'Armani est mort. Eh ben.
California Love FM. DJ Ace checking in. Compton streets lit up when a wannabe getaway driver stole a lawnmower to outrun the cops. Witnesses say he made it 2 blocks before running out of gas, then tried to push it while the hood's still laughing. Here's Compton Glide. Headlights flash as the block ignites.
Par contre, c'est pas mal ce truc que j'ai mis là pour les positions et tout là. J'ai pas galéré à le trouver, c'est. Ah ouais. Déjà un abandon. L'abandon de Nicolas Hülkenberg.
Fresh cut fade with the lokes on slide. Candy paint drip as the chrome rims glide. OG's nod when the funk
Ça.
shorties in the back humming all night
La
long.
voiture qui.
Pocket but the game stay tight. Street lights glow with the hustle in sight. Respect ain't bought, it's a crown we claim. Compton in the heart, put respect on the name. Compton glide, let the speakers boom. Riding through the night till the break of noon. Compton glide, feel the bass inside. West side rhythm, it's a gangster's ride. Hydraulics lift, let the Chevy bounce, block stay live.
Il a déjà commencé sur. Oh, je suis en retard moi. Ah, mais je vais pas louper le début. Ah, je vais mettre pause sur ça du coup. Ah non. Si. Attendez. Je suis là là. Ah, il bug encore le truc. Ah non. Oh, c'est pas grave, on verra après. Putain. Ils sont forts les McLaren. Hein. Piastri, il est fort. Non, mais ça y est, lui, Verstappen, il s'est gagné que quand il est premier, de toute façon. On va attaquer. Bon, je vais essayer de régler le truc de... La course qui bug, je vais peut-être essayer d'en trouver un mieux. J'attends que la course, elle se lance un peu. Il est où Hamilton? 8ème, ça va. Bon. Attends, moi je kiffe pas bien le truc de... Track piste. Là, c'est une guerre mondiale, là, au début, là. Je peux pas regarder un autre truc pour le track piste. Je sais pas pourquoi ils bug des fois leur truc de tracklist, mais... Lui, ça a l'air de pas bugger. Hop, on fait ça en 2 secondes. Faut que je fasse ça vite parce que je suis en train de louper des trucs, là. Allez, hop. Merde, il fait quoi, lui? Voilà. Boum. Merde. Voilà. Attendez. Chut. Putain, c'est celui de la fois dernière en plus. Euh... Je suis en train de louper encore le... Hop. Voilà, ça va le faire pour l'instant, je crois. Hop. Ça devrait aller, pour l'instant. Bon, ça c'est lui qui modifie son truc. Ouais, mais s'il modifie tout le boug aussi, il casse les couilles. Il faut que j'arrive à voir le truc comme lui, je ferai ça la prochaine fois. Là, ça en attendant, on va améliorer ça plus tard. Ah, il casse les couilles, il modifie tout. Frérot. Il gâche tout mon truc là. Putain, il fait chier ce bout là. Arrête de modifier ton truc. Non, tu vas pas que lui. Ah non. Merde, attendez, attendez. Putain, je passe mon temps à faire ça à chaque fois. Putain, il me casse les couilles, il met le truc trop grand là. Pas grave, je vais faire ça, hop. Sinon, j'ai jamais regardé la course encore. Faut la faire. Dommage que le truc que j'avais mis, il bug là. Hamilton est chaud là. Merde. Et on pose le truc. Ah non, c'est lui qui bug. Ah non. Ah, mais nique ta mère! Voilà. Elle est à jour. Ça, faudra que je trouve comment on fait ça. Pour mettre la track piste et tout, mais je crois qu'il faut payer. Je ferai un truc nickel, je vais faire un truc nickel, une scène. Nickel. Et moi, par contre, je crois que je suis un peu en retard. Alors là, ils sont où là par exemple? Merde. Faut que j'essaie de synchro avec le truc de YouTube, comme ça, moi. Ah ouais, mais même lui, il bug aussi. Après, il bug déjà moins que celui que j'avais, je crois. Bon, visiblement, le track piste du gars aussi, il bug même plus en fait, je crois. Ah ouais. Ok, par contre, du coup, moi. Ah, il me chamboule, lui. Au tour 12. Moi, je crois que j'ai un tour de retard comparé à lui. Moi. Attends. Ah, il casse les couilles YouTube là, wesh. Il est où là le mec? Ouais. Et il a les heures dépassées, j'ai pas vu. Bon, moi, j'aime pas trop la voiture de Ferrari, hein. Ça fait trop ancien. Moi, j'aime bien quand c'est moderne. Je parle du livret, hein. J'ai pas bien vu non plus, j'avoue. Les gants tout blanc, par contre, c'est un style. Allez, un petit accident chez McLaren. Ah, allez. Putain, il est tout fin l'aileron de... C'est quoi cet aileron de Ferrari? Ah ouais, non, on dirait qu'il est vraiment plus fin que les autres. Ça tombe, il a fait exprès pour mettre un peu de gravier sur la piste. Pour ceux de derrière. Oh. Bah, si c'est ça, putain.
is DJ Ace on California Love FM. And a quick update on that taco truck shakedown. The owner has reportedly named her new salsa the Extinguisher, and it's already her bestseller.
Oh, ouais. Tous les cailloux.
You're rolling with DJ Ace on California Love FM, kicking off your afternoon, right? We got a wild one from East LA where a car thief was nabbed after stealing a fully customized lowrider. He was caught after he couldn't figure out the hydraulic switches and just kept hopping in the same spot until the cops showed up. For the real switch masters, this is Rolling Heavy. This is Rolling Heavy. This ain't that lightweight plastic garbage that you see today. This that old school Detroit steel that never fades away. My slab is long and heavy, she commands the whole damn lane. A quiet form of dominance, a pleasure and a pain for all the ones who gotta move, who gotta get out of my path. The undisputed aftermath of my own righteous wrath. I'm sitting on a ton of chrome, a ton of glass and soul. The only thing a real G has to make them truly whole. This suspension takes a heavy breath with every bump and crack. The only kind of partner that'll always have your back. This weight is not a burden, it's a comfort and a
Ah ouais.
that every single inch of this whole enterprise is mine. Rolling heavy, the asphalt starts to shake. Rolling heavy, for goodness gracious sake. This ain't no sports car, it's a battleship on land. Rolling heavy, with a steady guiding hand. The busters in they little cars, they look like buzzing flies. Reflected in the deep dark lenses covering my eyes. They're zipping and they changing lanes, they're frantic and they're scared. Completely illegitimately, totally unprepared for the presence of a real machine, a king upon the road. To carry on the shoulders of a heavy precious load. The legacy, the history, the struggle and the fight are all packed in the chassis of this beast of pure delight. This ain't just transportation, it's a lesson in a class. To separate the real G's from the temporary trash. The suspension takes a heavy breath with every bump and crack. The only kind of partner that'll always have your back. This weight is not a burden, it's a comfort and a sign that every single inch of this whole enterprise is mine. Rolling heavy, the asphalt starts to shake. Rolling heavy, for goodness gracious sake. This ain't no sports car, this a battleship on land. Rolling heavy, with a steady guiding hand. And when I hit the boulevard and the system's pumping low, the bass is so damn heavy that the rhythm's extra slow. It ain't that frantic techno, not that high-pitched nervous sound. It's the heartbeat of the realest G's on this hollow ground. A little business on the side, a deal to
RGK.
keep the money flowing through my whole damn neighborhood. Cause this weight is not just metal, it's the paper that I stack on this unstoppable and legendary one-way track. This is the player's pace, the speed of confidence and might. To be the one who owns the day and dominates the night. You don't have to be fast when you're the biggest thing around. The quiet firm authority of this entire town. So I'ma keep on coasting, let the engine rumble deep. While all the other promises are easy and they're cheap. I'm invested in the solid, in the tongueless, and the true. For me and for my dedicated mother-loving crew. Lightweight cars are for lightweight minds. This is a statement of substance. When you roll this heavy, the street has to adjust to you, not the other way around. Rolling heavy. Rolling heavy. Rolling heavy. The asphalt starts to shake. Rolling heavy. For goodness gracious sake. This ain't no sports car, it's a battleship on land. Rolling heavy, with a steady guiding hand.
Bon, par contre, si je mets le truc du gars, mais que le truc du gars il bug autant que le bon truc. Je crois qu'il bug moi quand même.
It's a perfect day to be a player, and you're locked in with DJ Ace on California Love FM. We're getting a wild report from a botched robbery in Crenshaw, where the getaway was foiled not by the cops, but by a particularly aggressive speed bump. Witnesses say the crew's lowrider was too slim to get over it, and they were last seen trying to bunny hop the car to freedom. Now, for those who know how to navigate the streets properly, this is street level. I'm rolling on the back streets, the roads a tourist never see, the real and vital arteries of this whole damn city. I know the cracks in the pavement, every pothole, every turn, the quiet, heavy lessons that a G has got to learn. This ain't just navigating, this is owning the whole grid, and knowing every secret that the boulevards have hid. My slab is sitting proper, the chrome is looking right, the perfect clean companion for the darkness of the night. This is my real office, my boardroom in my home, the undisputed master of this labyrinth of chrome. The busters take the freeway cause they scared of what's below, the quiet, heavy rhythm of the streets that real G's know. This ain't just local knowledge, it's the key to my whole game, the quiet, firm foundation of my legendary name. Street level, where the real game is played. On street level, a fortune has been made.
Normalement, je reçois mon truc demain. Je suis ça aussi.
another beautiful day in the city of angels. And you're tuned to the one and only DJ Ace on California Love FM. We got a wild one from a family barbecue in Crenshaw, where a 50-year-old OG reportedly threw his back out trying to teach his nephew how to sea walk. Witnesses say Snoop Dogg, who was just passing by, saw the whole thing and laughed for a solid 2 minutes. Now for those who cruise without injury, this is Left Coasting. The sun is hanging low, the ocean breeze is kicking in, a perfect clean beginning for a brand new nightly scene. I'm pulling out the slab, the paint is dripping clean and wet, the undisputed champion of every single bet. I'm headed for the boulevard, where all the life is at, the undisputed ruler of this concrete habitat. The system's bumping something classic, something soulful, something true. For me and for my dedicated mother-loving crew, this is the only life to live, the only way to be a certified OG from the LBC.
The palm trees are swaying, the honey start to glance, the silent smooth beginning of a nighttime slow romance. This ain't just cruising, nephew.
Si là il y a un accident entre Norris et Piastri, mais bon. Eh, mais il bug vraiment pas mal son truc en vrai. À ce rythme-là, limite autant mettre l'autre. Hein.
Takeovers of these California lands, a little bit of business mixed with pleasure and with fun beneath the high and mighty and departed golden sun. This is the real California, the flavor and the sound, the most respected players on this hallowed hunting ground. We're living out the lyrics that the whole world wants to sing, the undisputed council of the California king.
The palm trees are swaying, the honey start to glance, the silent smooth beginning of a nighttime slow romance. This ain't just cruising, nephew, this is freedom in the soul. The only thing a real G has to make him truly whole. Left coasting on that Pacific.
J'aurais du doigt de mettre l'autre.
Left coasting for me and for my crew. This is that feeling that the whole damn world's been missing. Left coasting, the heart of a G-Funk nation.
This ain't that East Coast madness, that
Ouais, l'autre il bug encore plus, je crois.
layback attitude of this entire blessed place. We take our time, we make our moves with style and with a grace. The undisputed masters of this time and of this space. Cause we know that the power ain't in how fast you can run. It's in the quiet confidence that says you've already won. So I'ma keep on gliding with the top way down.
Quoique.
The star of my own legendary Westside Picture Show. This is a state of mind, not a place upon a map. The perfect clean escape from every single buster's trap. It's the rhythm of the ocean, it's the flavor of the food.
Je vais essayer lui pour l'instant.
Essence of a macaroni mood, so let 'em have the concrete jungles.
Lui est mieux, lui.
The snow will be right here, still counting up.
Lui, je peux faire.
This is paradise, the only one I'll ever need. The perfect
Hop.
foundation for my own damn righteous creed.
They say the sun sets in the west.
That's cause it knows where the real party's at.
It's not an ending.
It's a grand finale every single day.
Coasting on that Pacific blue. Left coasting for me and for my crew. This is that feeling that the whole damn world's been chasing. Left coasting, the heart of a G-Funk nation.
And that's left coasting. The only direction that matters. This is DJ Ace on California Love FM. Don't forget to like and share this broadcast if you're feeling the vibe.
Turn it up. You're kicking back with the best.
Merde.
DJ Ace on California Love FM. We're getting reports from a barbershop in Inglewood, where a heated debate over the best verse song, straight out of Compton, was just settled by the 80-year-old owner.
Ah, merde, j'avais pas vu le truc là. Non, bah je vais la mettre comme ça.
Flawlessly rapping. Ice Cube's entire first verse from memory.
Ah, mais.
Their unbreakable bonds.
C'est dur d'avoir un truc qui veut pas, visiblement, de tracklist. Mais bon, là, au moins, on a plus de trucs.
feeling truly sane. My homie is my brother is my shield. The only kind of weapon that a G can truly wield. A handshake is a contract that is stronger than the law. The quiet firm foundation that is free of any flaw. This is the real currency, the power and the might. To know you're not alone in the middle of the night. Oh, a promise sealed in blood. Oh, above the fire and the flood. This is for the real ones, the loyal and the true. For the mother-loving crew. I've seen the paper tempt, I've seen the honeys try to break the sacred quiet promise that a G will never make a second time. Cause trust is something that you cannot buy beneath the purple blanket of a California sky. We share the final dollar, we share the final meal. The only kind of partnership legitimately real. I know my brothers got me, I don't ever have to guess. The only cure for all the paranoia and the stress. This ain't just being friends, it's being soldiers in the war. And knowing what the other one is truly fighting for. A handshake is a contract that is stronger than the law. The quiet firm foundation that is free of any flaw. This is the real currency, the power and the might. To know you're not alone in the middle of the night. The oath, a promise sealed in blood. The oath, above the fire and the flood. This is for the real ones, for the loyal and the true. The oath, for the mother-loving crew. And when we make a move, we make it unified and clean. The most effective, quiet, and professional new scene. There's no debate, no argument, no weakness in the chain. Just the flawless execution of a well-rehearsed campaign. Cause every single member
C'est quoi ces lunettes bizarres?
the quiet firm expression of a
C'est pas en chiffon.
This is the real justice, the power and the grace. The undisputed rulers of this godforsaken place. So let the busters plot, let them conspire and let them hate. They're messing with the masters of their own and chosen fate. They cannot break a bond that's been solidified by years of shedding quiet laughter and of shedding silent tears. This is the final victory.
Par contre, il veut quoi le bon? Ah ouais, non, c'est parce qu'il a changé. Oh non, mais il a pas l'air de bugger en fait, je vais mettre lui pendant le Grand Prix. Tant pis, ça bug de temps en temps. Pas. C'est mieux, attendez, juste, je l'ai mal mis. Du coup. Voilà, là c'est parfait. Max Verstappen. Il est bien là.
Yeah. You tune in to California Love FM with your host DJ Ace. Coming straight out the west side, this next one's dedicated to the real Rogers. Keeping that classic vibe alive. It's timeless, it's clean, it's pure West Coast. Here we go. Still West Coast, riding slow.
Les bruits, je deviens fou.
Always ready, no drama. Just cool, calm, collected. Respect earned and well protected. Low rides bouncing, boulevard flow. Neighborhood legends, everybody know. Drums hit hard, synth lines glide. Classic sound, West Side Pride. Keep it real. Baseline bumping, chrome on wheels, chrome on wheels. Trees high, sunset glow, California style. Now you know.
Putain, j'ai plus de cœur.
Representing Cali, streets and sand. Born and raised, never left the land. Music in my blood, rhythm in my veins. Sunny days triumph, wash away rains. Classic, timeless flavor. Baseline deep, never waver. Real life talk, wisdom spoken. West Coast spirit, never broken. Community type, friendships real. Neighborhood vibe, genuine feel. Ride slow, respect the street. Cali soul, rhythm unique. Still West Coast, riding slow, keep it real. Baseline bumping, chrome on wheels, chrome on wheels. Palm trees high, sunset glow, California style. Now you know. Never left the block, never forgot. Roots go deep, pride I got. West Coast living, culture rich. Realness always, never switch. Future bright, past respected. Family ties, always protected. Lessons learned, streets provided. Struggles real, strength ignited. Teach the youth, keep tradition, stay true. Clear ambition, legendary status, legacy strong. Still West Coast, where I belong. Still West Coast, riding slow, keep it real. Baseline bumping, chrome on wheels, chrome on wheels. Palm trees high, sunset glow, California style. Now you know. Yeah. You just witnessed another timeless joint right here on California Love FM. Keep it locked, keep it west. And remember, this is how California does it. DJ Ace keeping it classy. Peace out. Emma, y'all. Still West Coast, riding slow, keep it real. Baseline bumping, chrome on wheels, chrome on wheels. Palm trees high, sunset glow, California style. Now you know. Yeah, you just witnessed another timeless joint right here on California Love FM. Keep it locked, keep it west. And remember, this is how California does it. DJ Ace, keeping it classy. Peace out. Can I get a rock from the choir? This ain't Sunday school. This that front seat funk. Put two front speakers, gospel on chrome. No ride hymns for the ones alone. No suit, no tie, just truth and sound. Rolling with the spirit for the funk.
Si Norris et Piastri ils finissent devant Verstappen, je suis mort.
Build my temple on wax and trap. Not that trap, I mean beat on loop. Like Dre in the back and Nate with the truth. Through the speakers, gospel on chrome. Low ride hymns for the ones alone. No suit, no tie, just truth and sound. Rolling with the spirit where the funk is found. They said blunt in hand and a rhythm divine. My halo bent like a Dayton rim, but I still drop light when the beat go dim. Every verse is a prayer from the back of the whip. Let the bass line baptize every block I hit. This ain't no choir, it's a gangster chant, where the lost find peace in the west side stands. No robe, no rings, just wheels and flame, but the message in the ride got eternal gain. Say a prayer for the ones that ain't make it past, then toast for the ones still built to last. Every crack in the street got a story to teach, so I let the tires talk while I barely preach. And if they listen, let them know the code. You don't need no stage, just funk and soul. Reaching through the speakers, gospel on chrome. Low ride hymns for the ones alone. No suit, no tie, just truth and sound. Rolling with the spirit where the funk is found. I don't sing for the rich or the club parade. I drop lines for the kids in the heat and shade. For the ones with a dream and a deck full of wax. Trying to live a life on these big tracks. I ain't flawless, I done sinned with sound, but the beat pulled me back when I almost drowned. My church had chrome and the seats reclined, but the spirit hit harder than your mama's line. Every Sunday ride was a holy run, with the system so loud it could block the sun. Let the choir say bounce, let the preacher ride, with a funk so deep it could part the tide. So next time you roll with that bass on blast, know a G wrote scripture in every track. I ain't God, I'm just grooving truth. A west side prophet in the Coupe de Ville booth. Reaching through the speakers, gospel on chrome. Low ride hymns for the ones alone. No suit, no tie, just truth and sound. Rolling with the spirit where the funk is found. Bless the beat, forgive the system, and always ride slow.
Comment ça s'est perdu, là, 8 secondes d'écart?
Still funkin', ride slow through the day. Chrome shine heavy while the beat just sway. Still got love for the West all night. G-funk leaves and we keeping it tight. Bounce in my step, gold chain on my chest. Low rider, clean funk laced in my breath. Ain't nothing changed but the numbers I dial. Still the same sound, still the same style. I ain't here for the trends or the TikTok fame. I'm here for the real, the bass, the flame. OG talk, no gimmicks, no rush. Just a fresh fade cushion, that west side touch. We still funkin', ride slow through the day. Chrome shine heavy while the beat just sway. Still got love for the west all night. G-funk lives and we keeping it tight. I was raised on Dre loops, Nate Hook, Snoop bars. Now I ride with that spirit in them same old cars. Glass house leaning, subwoofers knock. No keys, just switches, no tweaks, just block. Got a trunk full of rhythm and a mind full of game. Every verse hits smooth, every line got flame. Tell the youngest this funk don't fade or fake. It's a groove, it's a code, it's a vibe you make. We still funkin', riding slow through the day. Chrome shine heavy while the beat just sway. Still got love for the west all night. G-funk lives and we keeping it tight. Clone after clone, but they miss that bounce. Trying to copy G, but they never get the ounce. See, I ride with a soul and I talk with a groove. Every word got swing, every step got move. It ain't just rap, it's a whole damn life. Candy coated dreams with a touch of the knife. So I slide through the nights like the beat was a map. Still funkin', still ride, still Long Beach slap. We still funkin', it's the West reborn. With a blunt, with a beat, with a crown well worn. Still got heat, still rolling so tight. G-funk lives and we bringing it back. Yeah, same streets, same bass lines. New day, same funk. West don't die, it just rides different.
This ain't the start. This ain't the end. It's the last lap of the first legend. nothing but a beat and dream. From a block where the good go, ghost unseen. From a world where your tears get sold as wheat. So I bit my pain and let the rhythm speak. Now they chant my name from the coast to slums. From the court to the porch where the real ones drum. This for every night, I ain't eat but wrote. Every fight I walk with my pride in throat. They told me I'm too raw, too west, too cold. But I stayed in my lane and let stories unfold. Ain't no clone in my script, just life uncut. With a chain made of wounds I refuse to shut.
Final lap, I made it through smoke. Came from the cracks with the truth I spoke. Still G in my stand, still west in my soul. Let the record spin on, I done reached that goal.
I stayed true when the game went fake. When the streams got high, but the soul went snake. I ain't chase no trend, just walk my dirt. With a pen full of loss and a voice full hurt. Now the vinyl warm when they drop.
Mais il est en retard, attends. Non, je suis en retard sur le truc. Merde. Il est là. Ah ouais, non mais lui, il est en retard de fou en fait. Il est au tour 45, je suis au tour 46. C'est relou ça. Ah putain, ils ont loupé le pit-stop et tout. Mais putain, attendez, parce que là, du coup... par contre, c'est relou vu que lui il est en retard. Ah, je vais remettre lui pour l'instant. Ah, ça il fait chier ça si je vais le mettre au bout. Mais le au bout, c'est un trou du cul de merde, de merde. Bon. Boum. Attends, il est autour combien? 32 secondes. Non, mais vas-y, putain, je vais enculer ce... Pue la merde de YouTube, frère. T'es là, tu vas mettre le truc au bout, il bégaye. Mais ta mère, ouais, c'est un truc de fou, ça, frère. Quoi, lui aussi est en retard? Oh là là, ça me supporte, j'en peux plus, frère. 46. Ah ouais, non, mais en fait, ils sont tous en retard. Attendez, moi je vais mettre je vais mettre une petite pause sur le Grand Prix du coup. Je m'en fous d'être pas... Je vais remettre ça du coup, paf. Hop. Tour 46, je suis au tour 48. De toute façon, il y a 5 tours, mais vas-y. Ça fait chier de louper les derniers tours. Oh, tant pis, c'est pas grave. Il y a un petit délai sur le stream, moi je suis de tour devant du coup. Ils ont tous un délai, mais bon. Non, je vais peut-être essayer d'actualiser en fait. Ça change rien. Absolument rien. Ah, c'est fou l'ambiance qu'il y a entre McLaren et les conducteurs et les deux. Ils se sont relaissés passer parce qu'il en a un qui a pas eu un bon arrêt. Là, ils sont autorisés à se battre et tout. Faites un accident surtout. Non, mais vraiment, j'aime bien. Même pour nous, ça fait du spectacle en vrai.
Some faces gone, but the seat's still warm. We still roll, even if we miss one. Still ride for you through the smoke and flame. Got your name in my soul, not just ink in the frame. You gone, but the vibe still speaks so loud. Every turn that I take, I just hope you proud.
Used to ride with you, same block, same heat, same corner where we laced up pain and beat. You had dreams like mine, a mind so sharp, but the game played dirty and it tore that hard. Now I light one up and just coast at night, and the passengers you whisper through the bass when the speakers hit. Sing, keep your head high, don't ever quit. I lost more than blood, I lost a piece of calm. Now I carry your name like a street-born song. So I ride with the beat, let the sky stay blue. And every time I move, I still ride blue.
Right for you, through the smoke and flame. Got your name in my soul, not just ink in the frame. You gone, but the vibe still speaks so loud. Every turn that I take, I just hope you proud.
Remember them summers with the bottle and plans? Said we take this whole world, one mic, two hands. But the blockhead rules that don't come fair. And I watched you fade out like you weren't even there. They say time heals, but the wound don't close. When your brother turned ghost and the silence grows. So I talk to the sky, I talk to the smoke. And I let the funk play what I can't provoke. But I never let go, I just ride and cold. Keep it G for the ones that ain't growing old. And when I pull up slow with the system true, know this beat got your name, cause I ride for you.
Still ride for you, through the smoke and flame. Got your name in my soul, not just ink in the frame. You gone, but the vibe still speaks so loud. Every turn that I take, I just hope you proud.
Ain't no goodbyes, just long drives now. Where your face show up in the rear view. Somehow when I keep on moving like the wheels got
Bon bah,
with a cold little tear hit behind my face. Still smile when the beat drops low.
podium.
Laugh when the memories glow. And I
C'est pas encore fini sur le live, mais
ain't no shame before the bomb we had, before they changed the game. So here's to the fallen who live in the song and the streets that whisper when the night too long. I don't break, I don't beg, I just keep it true. Cause I ride, always ride.
Still ride for you, through the smoke and flame. Got your name in my soul, not just ink in the frame. You gone, but the vibe still speaks so loud. Every turn that I take, I just hope you proud.
Sun up, ride out. G-funk swing seats, lean back, let it ride.
Riding with the vibe, let the speakers talk. Chrome wheels turn while the real ones walk. Sunshine twisting through the blue in the sky. Rolling real slow, just me and the high.
Clean gold chain on rest. Cruising through the block with the beat in my chest. Palm trees waving, got the smoke on flow. It's the feel
bon,
good. West Coast glow, low rider.
ouais,
Candy paint drip,
t'as
got
pas eu d'accident.
the line and the blunt on my lip. This is side where the funk stay deep, where the OGs smile and the young G's creep. Backseat dreams in the Cadillac slide with a sunset.
Je regarde, je laisse vite fait le podium et,
Ain't no stress when the G-funk knock, just cool in my soul and a hand on the Glock.
et après j'y vais.
She sliding close, twisting up the flame. Says she love my tone and the way I claim. No names, just games in the breeze we feel. When the west wind hum and the tension peel. Got love for the coast, but no love for lanes. I done walked through fire and survived them games. Now I lean back, let the rear view fade. While the funk keeps singing like a Marvin Parade. Chrome shining like a daydream hit. And my voice riding smooth on the baseline split. This that vibe that can't fake, can't buy. Just a G in the beat under Cali sky.
Riding with the vibe, let the speakers talk. Chrome wheels turn while the real ones walk. Sunshine twisting through the blue in the sky. Rolling real slow, just McLaren.
Every city got rules, but we bend them here. Where the smoke blows slow when the danger near. I ain't chasing no cloud, I just ride with sound. In the pocket full of lessons from the underground. I let the day unfold with the lean in my seat. And the world feel right when the drums
J'ai perdu l'OBS là, voilà.
This vibe when the times get cold. It's that west in your soul that'll never get old.
Riding with the vibe, let the speakers talk. Chrome wheels turn
Ouais, intouchable, intouchable. Quand il est premier. Calmez-vous sur Verstappen. Va voir Verstappen en 2026. Il va voir.
Not for the clout, not for the fame. This one's for the ones who stay when it rains.
For my day ones, still by my side. Through the rain and the smoke, through the lows and highs. Never switched up, never changed the code. We just ride real slow down this West Coast road.
Remember them nights with $1 to split, sleeping on floors, talking dreams and shit. We ain't have much, but the bond ran deep, and the block knew our names before we had sleep. Came up broke, but we stayed tight knit. Shared every win, every loss, every hit. Some got locked, some faded away, but the realest
J'espère 2026, ça va être une frappe. Là, je savais que ça allait être compliqué chez Ferrari. Il fallait des adaptations.
Here's to the brothers who held that line through the war, through the dirt, through the test of time.
For my day ones, still by my side. Through the rain and the smoke, through the lows and highs. Never switched up, never changed the code. We just ride real slow down this West Coast road.
We done fought, we done bled, we done laughed like kings. Built the kingdom from nothing but street-born wings. Used to run from sirens, now we just toast. Still G'd up with the ones I trust most. Ain't no handshake fake when you know the soul. Ain't no flex in the circle when the game get cold. Some talk brotherhood, we live that script. From the front of the car to the grave we dip. And if I fall, I know who pulled me up. No cameras, no noise, just honor and love. So I roll through the city with peace in my lane. Cause the realists don't die, they just ride in my name.
For my day ones, still by my side. Through the rain and the smoke, through the lows and highs. Never switched up, never changed the code. We just ride real slow down this West Coast road.
It ain't about numbers, it's about who stayed. Who showed up raw when the light turned gray. It's them phone calls late, them rides with heat. Them talks with no words, just heart on beat. So here's to the fam that ain't gotta be blood, but would ride for you deep through the hate and the mud. You kept me real when I almost slipped. Now I raise this glass and let the system rip. To the past, to the pain, to the path we chose. To the bond that's unspoken, but everybody knows. We don't say much, we just let it be known that the day ones ride till the wheels turn stone.
For my day ones, still by my side. Through the rain and the smoke, through the lows and highs. Never switched up, never changed the code. We just ride real slow down this West Coast road. To the ones who never left, to the ones who never fold. I see you day one forever. They move loud, I move right. Smooth kill, low tone. Too cool to fall. Too cool to fall, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the baseline ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Too cool to fall, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the baseline ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Came up slow, now I ride real still. Low seat lean, got the funk on chill. No need to shout when the fits say boss. No need to run when you never took loss. They talk, I glide, let the silence win.
chrome so bright it reflect my grin. From the block to the booth, I ain't missed one step. Kept it 100 when the rest just crept. I let the beat knock while the sun go down, and the speakers tell truth in this G-Funk town. Eyes on me, but I move like this. Too clean, too cold, every shot I twist. Too cool to fold, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the bass line ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Too cool to fold, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the bass line ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Haters throw shade, I just slide through the sun with a bad one rolling and the beat on one. No keys, just push, let the system sing. While my chain do the math on the West Coast swing. You can't mimic this, it's soul, not style. It's the way I was built, too sharp, too wild. I dress like a dime, but I move like peace. And I speak like a G from the back of the east. Never beg for a lane, I just carve my own. Never chased any clout, just thrones and tones. So toast to the smooth, to the bold who last. To the future ride clean with a history past. Too cool to fold, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the bass line ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Too cool to fold, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the bass line ride, let the gold chain glow.
Pas dommage, un petit podium de Ferrari, là, ça aurait été pas mal, quoi.
Don't ask who I am, just watch who I be. Every bar, every step come with legacy. I ain't loud cause I ain't gotta prove my breath. When I speak, you in silence, hold his breath. Still riding, still vibe, still running this code. Still calm with the heat, still sharp on the road. So when you hear that funk in the frame get low, you know who it is, I don't need no show. I was born for the glide, built for the gold, and the name still ring. Too cool to fold. Too cool to fold, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the bass line ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Too cool to fold, too clean to fake. Every move I make the whole block shake. Let the bass line ride, let the gold chain glow. I don't flex, I just show what they already know. Keep it low, keep it locked. Too cool to fold, forever West. Turn this game into noise, but I stayed the course. Still riding, still real. Last of a dying breed. I don't bend, don't break. Still cruise through the noise. At the young ones fake. No flash, no front. Just soul and code while they chase every trend. I just ride my road.
They wanna post clips, I post respect. They beg for streams, I collect my check. They dress like the net, I dress like the block. Still rocking Pro Club, Cortez and socks. I seen the shift, style turn the show. Where the heart got lost in a brand new glow. But I stay me, stay funk, stay raw. Still preach real game that the kids don't draw. I don't dance for coins, don't beg for shine. I just like one up and let the West rewind. Every move I make got a root so deep that the trends fade fast, but the code I
Last of a dying breed. I don't bend, don't break. Still cruise through the noise. Let the young ones fake. No flash, no front. Just soul and code while they chase every trend. I just ride my road.
Used to roll with a click, now I ride real light. Just me and this beat through the neon night. Ain't no loyalty left in the way they move. Just clickbait hearts trying to dance for views. But I ain't mad, I just know what's true. And that G-Funk sound still bleeds right through. Still feel that bass in the back of my seat.
McLaren, c'est deux jeunes conducteurs quand même. C'est spécial McLaren, je trouve. Deux jeunes, ils s'entendent bien, ils se concurrencent.
When this mic go cold, I'll still stand tall. Cause the rules I live never needed a call. Never clown for views, never beg for fame. Just let the funk speak and engrave my name. So the next one's coming, they can do their thing. But they'll never know truth like the bell I ring. From the old tape decks to the chrome on wheels, to the look in the eye that the face
fake ones feel. This ain't no trend, this a breath I keep. This a beat from the roots, not a flash so cheap. So I roll one more, let the Sims all bleed while I ride for the lost ones. Last of a dying breed. Don't bend, don't break, still cruise through the noise. Let the young ones fake, no flash, no front. Just soul and cold while they chase every trend. I just ride my road. No cap, no gimmick. Just soul. I'm not the loudest. I'm the last.
They smell smoke before they see me. Batch fashion cups ready, but I ain't go easy.
Cushion the ride, cuffs in the rear, rolling through the city with the law in the mirror, hands on the wheel, heart full of dust and funk we trust, they can't help but play.
Window crack smoke creeping out slow. Rear view pair yup riding too low. I see red and blue like a warning sign. But I'm too seasoned, this game is mine. Got the half ounce tucked in the dash. Glove box heat and the glove full of cash. Probation ain't nothing but a weak ass leash. I break chains with baselines, preach from the street on the street.
Cushion the ride, cuffs in the rear, rolling through the city with the law in the mirror, hands on the wheel, heart full of dust and funk we trust, they can't lock us up.
Weed frosty, Got pulled last week, but the dog couldn't bark. Cause the stash so clean, it could glow in the dark. Still I ride tense, no blink, no slip. Every second in the zone could be my last trip. The county blues haunt me. Cell block echoes, but I'm back with the funk. Stacking like Legos. Ain't no rehab for this dope in my sound. Cops wanna cage it, but the streets hold it down.
Cushion the ride, cuffs in the rear, rolling through the city with the law in the mirror, hands on the wheel, heart full of dust and funk we trust, they can't lock us up.
I'm like Frankie, I was fresh, I put that clue. What was it look? Make it they hard, we make it a edges from that shot, make it a shot on cheap pants, I'm from the students.
Yo, they want chains. I give them chains on my chest. Big link swinging like I passed every test. From the cell to the sun. Adapt and rise. Got
Bon.
weed in my lungs and revenge in my
Je fais le
eyes.
podium
Bad giant scared. I was raised with the sirens
et je vous laisse là-dessus.
Part of my guidance, so light up the fire, let the speakers combust. This is G-Funk forever and bass we trust.
Moi je restream à mon avis lequel joue pas. Peut-être demain, mardi, je sais pas. Je vais voir. Bon, pas de victoire aujourd'hui. Dommage. Faut vraiment que je refasse du sport là, parce que là, mais bon, c'est de baguette.
Concrete logic moves in cold. Voice stay calm, but the heat still low. Talk that slick, better back that threat. I don't bluff, I just cash that debt. Built this rep like a wall out of stone. Ain't no love in the zone, just tone and chrome. Got stripes in the set, earn brick by brick while they post for likes. I post with a stick, still ride clean, attitude sharp. Hold plan tight like a blade in the dark. Every handshake weighed, every look get filed. Play the wrong note, get cut from the file. Concrete logic moves in.
On voit même plus rien avec les fumigènes. Ah, je dois pisser.
to a name that don't know your name. No fame chase, just turf and wealth. And I earn every stripe, never borrowed help. So when you see that glass house creep at night, better hope it's a cruise, not a burial, right? Concrete logic, losing cold. Voice stay calm, but the heat still cold. Talk that slick, better back that gray. I don't bluff, I just catch that jet. Concrete logic, losing cold. Voice stay calm, but the heat still low. Talk that slick, better back that gray. I don't bluff, I just catch that jet. All facts, no bark, no dream, just plots and cash and a stainless gleam. Taught to react with a hand so quick, you don't hear the word, just a click, click, click. So I move like chess, not dice or hope, and I only show up when the line gets broke. It's G-Funk roots with a warlord brain, and I speak one code, maintain domain. Concrete logic, that's how we stay alive. Feelings get you killed. Discipline keep you king. Yeah.
Sun out, top down, no stress. Just gas, glass, and class. West forever.
Sunday slide, got my mind on peace. Rolling with the breeze and the stress on leave. Sun hit low, but my vibe stay
Bon.
high. It's that feel good funk. Let the wheels just glide.
Paint shine gold in the Kelly light. Ride slow past palms with the bass just right. One arm on the door, other twisting tight. Windows down, whole block, feel that flight.
Sur ce, moi, je vous laisse là. Je vous dis bon après-midi et à lundi ou mardi, ou je sais pas quand. Allez, ciao, ciao. Attendez, hop, je mets le petit son. Voilà. Allez, ciao. Attendez, il y a une couille là. Frère. Comment ça se fait quand je mets le truc?
Pas le choix, tu veux t'écramer, vas-y casse-toi. Ils parlent de nous, je les connais même pas. Tu m'as fait du mal, ça pas. Tu sais, mon ami, j'arrive, on navigue sur des flots, on varie. Le shit et la pêche, les marées. Malgré tout ce temps, non y'a pas de regret. Ainsi va la vie, go, non y'a pas de secret. Tu veux me voir dans la zone, t'inquiète pas, je suis là. Je vais me casser des Paname, les ailes chouées. Ne parle pas, tu sais pas, ça retombera sur toi. Je te donne pas le temps de faire, mais qu'il sortira. Je me sens aveuglé par le brouillard. Je continue, je cours dans le noir. Je me sens aveuglé par le brouillard. Je continue, je cours dans le noir. Tu m'as fait du mal, ça passe pas. Faut tourner la page, y'a pas le choix. Tu veux t'écramer, vas-y casse-toi. Ils parlent de nous, je les connais même pas. Tu m'as fait du mal, ça passe pas. Faut tourner la page, y'a pas le choix. Tu veux t'écramer, vas-y casse-toi. Ils parlent de nous, je les connais même pas.
J'arrive encore à me plaindre alors que j'ai tout ce qu'il me faut. Ma go vient de me quitter parce que j'ai trop de défauts. Impulsif chez l'agnax, les problèmes je les règle tout. Y'a plus personne derrière quand on resserre les flammes.
Flammes dans la rétine, y'a pas de jean, c'est juste que nos cœurs se resserrent. Igo, bon cabissaire, baisse la mer au commissaire. Dans les yeux récine, je suis triste, pourtant je n'ai aucune larme. J'ai pas la tête, pourtant je dois les faire danser, danser. Ainsi va la vie, je t'échange. Igo, je prends argent comptant. J'ai fait ce qu'il a zermi, je t'échange. Mais je me demande combien
tu m'as fait
de temps.
du mal, ça passe pas. Faut tourner la page, y'a pas le choix. Tu veux t'écramer, vas-y casse-toi. Ils parlent de nous, je les connais même pas. Tu m'as fait du mal, ça passe pas. Faut tourner la page, y'a pas le choix. Tu veux t'écramer, vas-y casse-toi. Ils parlent de nous, je les connais même pas. Tu m'as fait du mal, ça passe pas. Tu veux t'écramer, vas-y casse-toi.